Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top health news. NMC withdraws notice on discontinuing CPS Mumbai courses. In a significant reversal, the National Medical Commission has withdrawn its public notice that announced the discontinuation of all medical courses offered by the College of Physicians Surgeons, Mumbai. This decision was confirmed in a recent notification from Professor Dr. B. Srinivas, NMC Secretary, who informed Director, Principal, Deans and Heads of Departments at all NMC affiliated medical institutions and referenced the Bombay High Court's order. Recently, the NMC officially discontinued all courses offered by CPS Mumbai nationwide. The NMC's notice cited CPS Mumbai's response to a show cause notice where the institute compared itself to the National Board of Examination, claiming similar authority to issue medical qualifications. The NMC deemed this comparison misleading, noting that the NMB is a government entity established under the NMC Act 2019, whereas CPS Mumbai is a non-government organization without the authority to recognize medical courses, conduct exams or award degrees. The Postgraduate Medical Education Board had served a show cause notice on the College of Physician and Surgeon, Mumbai, for not following the regulatory provisions of the NMC, erstwhile MCI. In its reply, CPS Mumbai intimated that it considers itself as an examination-like body, National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences, with authority to give medical qualification. The board found this as a misguiding statement and observed that the NBEMS is a government organization included in the schedule of NMC Act 2019, whereas the CPS is a non-government organization and has no authority to permit or recognize any course of qualification run by any hospital or to conduct examination or award degree. As per Section 22 of the UGC Act 1956, the right of conferring or granting degrees can be done by a university established or incorporated by or under Central Act, a provisional act or a state act, or an institution deemed to be a university under Section 3, or an institution specially empowered by an Act of Parliament to confer or grant degrees. Thus, degrees can only be issued by a university or any statutory body empowered by an Act of Parliament, the NMC said. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.